Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, as y'all probably seen from the title, I am going to be reviewing Pattern Beauty's new blow dryer that they recently released. When I found out that they were going to be releasing this blow dryer, y'all, I had to have it. The way that it looked just grabbed my attention. I mean, it's a color that you normally do not see, and it comes with attachments as well, but a couple of the attachments like really caught my eye and I was like, how unique is that? I must have that blow dryer. So first of all, let me just go ahead and show you guys how the blow dryer came. Like, the packaging is impeccable, like it is top notch. So this is what it looks like. Do y'all see that? Gorgeous. So as you can see, it does come with the actual blow dryer, and it comes with a diffuser, a concentration nozzle, a brush attachment, and a wide tooth comb attachment. So let me go ahead and just open this lid so you can see how it is packaged in the box. So the lid, it just basically lifts up like this, and as you can see, like, the first thing you see is who? Tracy Ellis Ross. Like, y'all, she is gorgeous. And in the lid here, they show you the blow dryer and everything that comes with the blow dryer. So let's go ahead and let me show you this right here, let you get a closer look. Just beautiful. But yes, it's just a letter from Tracy. Okay, so let me show you how the attachments come in the box. And as you can see, they are packaged very well as well in plastic. As you can see, we have the brush attachment, the concentration nozzle, the diffuser, and the wide tooth comb attachment. So let's just go ahead and take these out so we can see what they look like. The brush, and it does feel like a brush, and the little bristles are the same type of material as the actual brush attachment, but as you can see, they are bendable. We have the diffuser, and this is what that looks like. And these move a little bit also. Not that they need to move, but they do have some movement to it. Next is the wide tooth comb attachment. It's right here. The concentrator nozzle here. And last, but definitely not least, we have the blow dryer. Let me take that out of the box. Y'all, when I tell you it's packaged wonderfully, like, it's bomb. Let me just show you what I'm working with here. This is how the cord is in this little compartment right here. So let me just go ahead and take it out. And this is what we're looking like, y'all. This blow dryer, y'all. The color is absolutely amazing. This is what we are looking like here. And right here we have the temperature setting, and we also have the airflow. There are 3 settings for each. This right here is the cool shot button, and the cool shot button I thought was really, what was really neat about it is that all you have to do is just hold it and it'll stay down, or the cool shot will still apply until you release it. And this right here, these two buttons on the side, they pinch in so you can put the attachments in, and it locks them in place. So after looking at the instructions, there are 3 heat settings, like I said before, but there are actually only 2 airflow settings. And this switch back here is to turn the ion customization on and off, and the light will actually turn blue. And I also like the fact that it does have this little Velcro strap to keep your cord nice and neat. So I have already done my wash and go, and of course I had to use Pattern products, and I'm going to be using the diffuser attachment. My hair has probably set for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, so I think it's the perfect time for me to go ahead and start diffusing my hair. So y'all, this is a first impression, first demo, so we're going to be figuring this out together. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so it's in there, it's locked in. And let's see, if we squeeze these 2 buttons on the side, it comes out easily. So let's put it back in, snaps in, and there we go. So I think this is going to also help with the wide tooth comb attachment and the brush attachment as well, because when you're running it through your hair, there have been blow dryers in the past where when you put the attachments on, they either pop off or they just don't have that good grip to it. So I do like the fact that they do have these little 2 snaps here to make sure your attachments stay on really well. So y'all, let me just go ahead and plug this up and we are going to get to diffusing. Okay, so I am going to start out with low heat, and I'm going to start off on low airflow. But before I get started, I did also want to mention that they do have a heat protectant as well, and this is what it looks like. Now, I am not going to use any on my hair this time, but I think that this will definitely come in clutch when I want to straighten my hair. So, but for now, I won't be using the heat protectant. I just wanted to let you guys know that they do have a heat protectant. So like I said, I am going to use low heat and I'm going to use low airflow, and I am going to have the ion button pressed so I can have my cuticle smooth. I'm not really looking for a voluminous wash and go just yet. So let's just go ahead and get this party started. And I also want to mention, I am going to go ahead and time myself to see how long it takes for me to diffuse my hair. So right now it is 7:49. So let's just see how long it's going to take us to diffuse. So it is 8:07 now, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is still damp, but I can tell that it is starting to dry because I do feel like, you know, a slight hold forming on my curls here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to turn the temperature up to the middle heat setting, and go from there. So it is, like I said, it is 8:07, and let's go ahead and turn it up a notch. Still low airflow. And I also wanted to add that the crown of my head is still wet. I would say it's still like about 80% wet. So I'm going to focus more on that section, and then, you know, the rest of my curls also, but just focusing on the crown. Okay, so y'all, this is what my hair is looking like, and I will say that my hair is probably like 95% dry. It took about maybe 30 or 35 minutes for me to actually get my hair to dry to 95%, which isn't too bad at all. My curls look really good. I do have a good bit of hold, and I don't know if I mentioned what I use for my wash and go, but I use the pattern leave-in conditioner, and I use the styling custard, and then I put a little bit of the mousse on top of my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. I will come back tomorrow so you guys can see what the final results look like. And I did recently upload a video where I used the pattern curl mousse and the stronghold gel as a wash and go combo. I'll have that linked up above and in the description box so you can check that out, so you can see what my results were with this combo. So yeah, I'm going to come back tomorrow and let you guys see what my final results look like and my final thoughts about this pattern blow dryer. So now that my hair has completely dried, I wanted to come back and show you guys how I preserve my wash and go at night on the first night. As you can see, my hair is shrunken, so I do like to use satin scrunchies to stretch my hair and get the length back. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate my hair down the center. And I'm just going to basically just split it in half and add my scrunchies. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking with these scrunchies on, and I'm just going to put my bonnet over it, and I will come back tomorrow and let you guys see what my final results look like. And like I said earlier, I'll let you know what my final thoughts are on this blow dryer. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day, and I am going to get ready and take this bonnet off and take these scrunchies out so we can see how my wash and go turned out with using the styling custard as well as the mousse, and to see how my overall results are after using the blow dryer. Okay, y'all, so these are the final results, and y'all, I am loving the way that my hair is looking. I love the definition. I love the shape of it. I just love everything. My hair feels really soft, and it has lots and lots of movement to it. So should you run out and buy this blow dryer, Well, I don't know about run, but I think you should briskly head to their website and actually purchase this blow dryer. I mean, especially if you are in the market for a high quality, high-end blow dryer. If you don't want to spend like $400 and up on a Dyson blow dryer, then I definitely think you should purchase this pattern blow dryer. It was $189. And I think that's pretty good, like a pretty median price. I mean, yes, you can go to Sally's and probably get a blow dryer like this for what, maybe, I don't know, $80, $90 or something like that. I'm not really sure. But just for the actual uniqueness of how the blow dryer looks, and the little buttons on the side of the blow dryer that make sure that the attachments don't go anywhere, I think it's definitely an investment. I mean, I would prefer spending $180 on a blow dryer versus $400 and something on a blow dryer. But if you have the coins to do that, then by all means go ahead and purchase that. But for those of you that are looking for a reasonably priced blow dryer, high quality, very unique, I definitely think that you should check this Pattern Beauty blow dryer out. And I did also want to mention that in the packaging they do have this curl guide. I thought it was very useful for them to actually put in here what attachment is best for what product that they have. And there's also some more on the back here. So I definitely think that, you know, this is worth the money. I didn't have to spend an arm and a leg on this blow dryer. And also, if you have reward points, you can also use them on the purchase of the blow dryer or anything that you get from the website, which is awesome. So that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below if you are going to get the blow dryer, if you already have it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.